Court will come back to order. We recessed yesterday till 8:30 this morning. It is Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022 at 8:30 in the morning. And the court is back in session. And after executive session yesterday, I can report to the court that we had a very successful meeting with Mark Cowden at Security State Bank. And we are ready to move forward. So at this time, I'm going to make a motion that we go ahead and send our 30-day termination letter to Happy State Bank. Any discussion?
And the process to move, is there another motion to follow that? I guess what's the next step? I mean, we cancel that one.
Well, okay, then I'll amend the motion to and move the county's bank accounts to Security State Bank. What we discussed yesterday was a 6 to 12 month transition to moving the accounts over, so that we keep it as seamless as possible.
So we go with the second bid
The second bid.
as our depository.
Two motions might be cleaner,
Okay.
Okay.
and so there are two court orders, one for termination and one for entering into an agreement with the second depository.
Then on the advice of counsel, I take back my amendment, and my motion is that we go ahead and send the 30-day termination letter to Happy State Bank. Second. For the banking council. To the county. Okay, we got the motion and the second. Any discussion?
You have conversations with Happy State Bank as well?
We tried.
Okay.
We tried to get an appointment, and we're not able to get in.
Okay. I'm just going to
So what we're going to do is go ahead and deliver the written notice today. With that, those in favor, raise your hand. Unanimous, 4-0. Second motion is that we, the county place its banking accounts, I think we have 38 accounts, is that right?
Yes, sir.
With Security State Bank, where they have been for the last almost 30 years. We met with them yesterday and had a very successful meeting. Each one of the financial representatives here, tax collector, the auditor, and the county treasurer, as well as the sheriff, and I met with them, and they're arranging to meet individually with everybody that has accounts and successfully and seamlessly transition back to
Where we work.
Yes, back where we work.
Second.
So we got a motion and a second. Any discussion?
Clarification of some terminology.
Okay.
So I think it'd be that our act would be that we're to clarify that we're going to move our depository for Kerr County to Security State Bank, and they were the second high bid when we put up.
Yes. And just to clarify, I believe it's every 4 years we have to put out for bid our depository banking business. And that was put out last year. Happy State Bank was the low bidder. We went with them. That has been an unsuccessful relationship. So now we are going down to the second high bidder, which is Security State Bank, who, by the way, clarified yesterday that they weren't charging us any fees anyway. They were all written off. So that was good news we got. So that means that they're equivalent to what Happy State Bank's bid was, which is no banking fees.
So their contract will come back before the court at a later date.
Yes.
Okay.
And Judge, the statute also allows me to do a 2-year extension after that 4-year period. So we have 6 years between bidding processes if we want.
That is in your sound discretion.
Yes.
So with that, those in favor, raise your hand. Unanimous, 4-0. Any other business before the court? Okay, we are adjourned.
Yeah.